Here I have Nokia C12, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. Okay, excuse me, you can't find it here, but you can find it in settings by going to the battery section, and here you have Battery Saver. So here you can switch it. You can also adjust some of its optional optimizations, like you can change from 5G to 4G, disable face unlock, turn off location, disable notifications, turn off Bluetooth, reduce screen brightness, shorten screen timeout to minimal, turn off auto synchronization, disable haptic vibration feedback, disable live wallpaper, and disable Google Assistant button in order to maximize battery saving. So yeah, and here you can also access, you can also only reset to defaults. Okay, and you can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can select start time and end time. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.